Mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa nĩokĩrĩirie atongoria arĩa makoretwo icera-inĩ rĩa ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri na President William Ruto nĩkĩrĩa augĩte makoretwo makĩrekereria mĩario ĩngĩcogera ngũĩ.
When you listen to our colleagues who have been in Western Kenya for the last 1 week, made utterances that are insightful, that threatened violence against leaders and a particular community, the Mount Kenya community, which is now being targeted for demonization, for isolation. And this is language we've had before. We remember the 2007 general election and the 2008 post-election violence.
Eugene nĩorĩtie komishoni ya ũrũmwe na ũiguithanio NCIC gũtacũkia makinya ma kĩwatho na gũikia atongoria ya ngono.
The law gives them powers. We would like to see Dan Wanyama, who made a very insightful statement against the Mount Kenya community. Would like to see that gentleman summoned, arrested and charged. Would like to see Honorable Toma, who made similar insightful statements, also charged.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu arĩa manyitaga President Baru makimenereria ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũnini wa President Rigathi Gachagua makimũringithania na baadhi ĩtarĩ marũa ĩrĩa ĩtakinyagia thitĩnji.
Kuna mtu anasema anataka kupanga kesho, na nyinyi na sisi tunajua yule mtu alikuwa impeached, aese run for presidency, so ana permit ya kutumia highway, kutumia barabara zetu, anatafuta abiria aenda auze. So nikauliza mheshimiwa Parashina, hii watu mnasanya mweke gari mwende muuse, hii watu mnahusia nani hii watu kwa barabara? Na hii gari yenu haina license, hii gari yenu haiwezi fika stage ya Nyamagema Nairobi. Ni kweli ama ni uongo?
Maugĩte Gachagua nĩ njĩra arahĩtithia andũ nao matikauma thirikari-inĩ kaimana.
Tumetafuta hii serikali, tulitafuta sisi wote, nyinyi kama wafugaji, sisi wote tulitafuta. Tukitafuta lishe, maji na tunatafuta nyasi. Tumepata nyasi miaka ngapi? Hata ng'ombe hajatoa ile kinyesi ya nyasi. Mtu anasema tuache hii nyasi, ameona mawingu inaonekana huko, twende tufuate mawingu itanyesha huko. Hiyo mtu ni mfugaji kweli ama ni mtu wako na abunuasi?
Ndeto ĩno yũkĩte rĩrĩ ũteti ũthiĩte na mbere gũthegea gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ikua wa Boshi.